Fridge making strange noises. All fridges make noises, but it is the type of noise that matters. A properly running fridge should only make a soft humming noise. But if you're starting to hear different noises that are loud and strange, it could indicate that something is wrong. Where the noise is coming from and what it sounds like can determine what the issue is. Back of the fridge. Noises coming from the back of the fridge are likely caused by a compressor or the fan. These parts can accumulate lots of built-up dust and debris. Try cleaning out the fan blades and the compressor. If it's still making noises after that, you may need to call in a technician. Inside the fridge. If you can find sounds coming from inside the refrigerator, there could be an issue with the fan circulating the cool air. The only way to fix this issue is to call in a repair person or replace this part. Chirping noises. Refrigerators shouldn't chirp or squeal. But if your fridge is starting to sound like a bird, then a malfunctioning evaporator fan is likely the culprit. A broken evaporator means the refrigerator will not cool. You can check for any issues by removing any food from the freezer and accessing the panel. If you find the fan is not moving or any damaged wires, the part will need replacing. Buzzing. A buzzing sound can mean that the light bulb needs replacing. On some units, you can easily change the light bulbs without the help of a technician. Knocking. If there is a knocking sound coming from your fridge, it could mean that the condenser or fan isn't working properly. Remember that older fridges tend to make more noises than newer ones. Not every noise you hear means there is something wrong with your fridge, but if you find the noises from your refrigerator are getting louder, there is probably something going on. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the Appliance Helpers channel for more videos.